Hi guys, good evening. I am Angeline D. Gaudiano, taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English, 19 years old. So for today's video, we're gonna have a self-awareness and appreciation video. Short video lang to siya guys, no, and in a creative way. So let's start. I have here a ball pala, no? I'll first explain the criteria. May ball ako dito, guys, and each pages, may mga question yan siya. Tapos, yun lang. Time check. 11 p.m. 11 p.m. ba? 10:14. 10:14 p.m. October 28, 2023. And deadline bukas. So, start. What is that one word that describes you? Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, I believe that one word to describe me, siguro ang quiet. Quiet because everyone surrounds me, or not totally everyone, pero halos lahat, yung mga friends ko, yung tinanong ko sila first impression sa akin, yun sabi doon nila tahimik lang daw ako. Akala doon nila tahimik ako. Pero tahimik talaga ako, guys. I believe din tahimik ako kasi I talk less. Talk less. Question number 2. What is or are your talents, no? My talent is lang, parang mabilisan. My talent is singing, sample. Bukas na lang. Sample. I will leave my heart at the door. Chas, I love to play volleyball, and yun talaga yung talent ko, sir. Next question. What are your strengths and weakness? 5 examples. 5 samples each. So, nagsulat ako dito, no, yung mga strengths ko. Kasi di ko rin talaga alam, kaya nag-evaluate ako kanina. Saan ba yun? Talent ko is siguro strengths ko. One of my strengths siguro, I have malakas yung self-esteem ko, or mataas rather. Mataas yung self-esteem ko, kaya yun, may confident ako sa sarili ko, and tapos healthy lifestyle, no? Healthy lifestyle because I ate fruits. I often ate fruits, vegetables, and sometimes nag-exercise din ako at least once or twice a week. Tapos less din ako nagainom ng soft drinks, pero nagkakain pa na ako, pero less nga lang. Next, mentally fit. Mentally fit ba? Pero siguro, paano ako? Hindi ako nag-think positive minsan. Less ako nag-overthink, no? So, madalas talaga ko yung sarili ko to think into positive way sa mga situations na like, lalo na pag, basta ba? Tapos, yun. Ilan na ba na-mention ko? Healthy lifestyle, confident, mental. 3. Kaapat, strengths, sporty type kasi ako, guys, no? So, medyo, isa yun sa strengths ko. Tapos, strengths ko siguro din yung personally, mentally, strengths ko din, guys, is yung family ko. Yun. Tapos, weakness. First weakness, tinatamad minsan. Madalas tamad din. Tapos, slow learner, because kapag ba guys nagsasayaw, for example, no, sasayaw, it will take me 1 week, no, para mag-gets talaga yung isang isang certain na sayaw, no, specific na sayaw. Tapos na isang araw lang nila ni aral, tapos ako 1 week talaga. Okay lang, kaya pa. So tapos weakness, isa ano pa ba, siguro weakness ko siguro antoking, antok ako guys, antok, sleepy head ako, madalas ako antokin, kaya yun nakakatamad minsan. Tapos ano pa ba weakness ko? Ano pa ba sinulat ko dito? Weakness. Weakness ko din kapag may mga activities sa school. Mahihain kasi ako. Lalo na kapag required sumali. Tapos like for example, ngayong palapit na yung Sela Fest namin, no? So guys, no, gusto ko sanang magsali ng magsali ng volleyball, kaso nakakahiya talaga guys, pero may confidence ako, no, kaya sasali ako. Chalks, next question. Question number 4. What do you like the most and hate the most? Ito nga, naglista rin ako. Hate, I love the most. No, I love the most bang question? Basta I love kapag, for example, kapag naglalaro, kapag natutulog, kapag nasa dagat. Yun. Comfort zone. Comfort place pala. Comfort place. Dagat. Tapos kapag malinis, and kapag tahimik syempre. Tapos hate the most ko pala kapag maingay. Like for example, may kasama kang or may nakasabay ka sa jeep na like sobrang dol-dol, tapos nonsense naman yung lumalabas. Ciao. Tapos kapag makalat, and kapag may 5 daw kasi, no, makalat, maingay, kapag yun lang, tatlo lang sir, sorry, tatlo lang. Last question number, next na, proceed, faster lang tayo na kasi almost na din. Ito, question number 5. How are you? Kumusta nga ba ako? So, no? How are you? I'm good, fine, thank you. How are you? Okay naman, masaya. Sobrang saya, Chas. Masaya naman, okay lang. Tapos parang minsan dahan-dahan ko na din nakikita talaga yung mundo, kasi ngayon nagtatrabaho ako, tapos pag uwi pagod ganun, tapos ganun lang, parang lang, ang hirap pala talagang kitain ng pera. Next question. Question number 6. How do you want for people to see you? Ito sa'yo, so to guys. How do you want for people to see you? Siguro, syempre, I want them to see me. I want them to see me as a kind, tapos successful teacher someday. Last question. What is your message to the people who loves you?